I need to make floor flat with this tile, existing tile. So now just how can I redo it? Easy. So you see, I put plywood on the bottom, it's matched the height, and just I just wanna put down here. That's it. So this is the height what I need right here. Then we can take this off. So right here, and I have to put this laser level. I already found the space, you see, and this maybe need a little bit, come a little bit higher. Oh, right here. Now I have to go to put more tripods. If you remember, it's very simple. Just here. Up. And here. A little bit up. And also, if we put it right here, that's it. So here is how should be looks like, and water ready, everything ready, and calc should be with you also. Before start leveling, check, you know, some little places. Maybe you left some holes, for example, some joints, you know, like this. Better fill up. Here is tight. I hope everything will be fine. And now we can start leveling process. Mixing self-leveling compound and just pour it. So very important. Just watch when the self-leveling compound come to this plate from the bottom. That's it. You don't need to add more. This is the reason why we're using concrete leveling tripods. Very easy work. Before show whole process of leveling, I just stop by this moment when I apply primer, SP primer, and I did ramps. You see, I apply with it because I don't want to put a lot of self-leveling compound, just minimize weight on the floor. Now you see all leveling process. I'm using big barrel. It's for 3 bags of self-leveling compound and then 1 bucket of water, 5 gallons bucket of water. This is the Novoplan SP Mapei products. Before I used Novoplan 2 Plus. Now I'm using SP because time lapse for work it's more approximately. Before was like with 2 Plus it was like 50 minutes. This is giving me time approximately 40-50 minutes, sometimes hour if it's cold water. So very good if it's big area for leveling. Also, I want to tell you about primer. It's primer key, especially for tiles. If you want to level over the tiles or wood subfloor, very good bonded self-leveling compound with wood.
concrete attached plates. This is exactly what I need. Just a little bit left. First of all, I have to take off all tripods and roll it out because it can dry very fast.
Don't forget to protect the walls. I did it also, and to put silicone on bottom the foam what you put around the walls, because if you not concentrate on it, it will be, some leaks downstairs. So this is the main floor, and I'm very worried about leaking downstairs to the basement. This house is like 1900, very old, and before I start flooring job, guys did, all preparations, then install. They fix whole joists, remove the old floor and install plywood. Now what I did, you see, I level the lowest spot, and in few days I can start floor installation. I guess I did on Friday, so Monday will be ready for floor installation. You see no any self-leveling compound reflection. It means very good leveling.
Hot inside, settles so fast, like 40-50 minutes. But I guess it's okay because SP drying not so fast like Novoplan 2 Plus. But anyway, you see, I just finished 30 minutes ago. It's already settled. It's not walkable, but fine.
Here is I already start installation. This is Bona glue. It's not 851 Bona with moisture protection. It's just new glue without moisture protection, but it's really good.
I start first line, 4 boards. So for today, Monday, I will finish this side and go all the way. I already checked whole hallway, so fine. And this side, I guess it's very important because it's open side. So I start from the full board.